Good morning, my name is Bruno. I am passionate about photos and videos and now recently, also with the DJI MINI 2 drone. In this YouTube channel called Lucca, you will find videos that I made with the Pixel Quattro XL mobile phone, Panasonic Lumix LX100 camera, and now I recently use my drone. I would like to clarify that I am not a professional in photos and videos, but I enjoy it. I don't want to lecture anyone, I just share my experiences. In this video I show you how I set up my drone camera with the Lucca application. This application allows you to decrease contrast, saturation to sharpness. Obviously I did not discover this procedure, but I found guides on YouTube. That now I share with you my trials. In my opinion, it improves the experience in post-production. This is obviously not a flat profile, but in my opinion it comes close. To make you understand better, I'll show you videos shot with these settings before and after color correction, and even maybe the same video without editing. Look further ahead, you will understand better what.
Here now I show you how I set Lucca, if you want to have my same settings. Click on video here. Then click on settings. A menu will open as you will see on the left. Click saturation. Then on -3. Repeat on contrast. Then on -3. And finally, I left the sharpness at 0. If you want, or prefer to fly with the DJI Fly application, just close Lucca, and go to DJI Fly, you will see that the Lucca settings remain in memory. Let me know in the comments, if you found this video useful. Thanks for watching. Bruno.